So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another wig from WEQUEEN. Now once again, they did not ask me to do this video. They strictly asked me to do a short TikTok video, but I wanted to introduce this wig to you guys in case anybody is interested and in case anybody is interested in braided wigs. Now this is the second braided wig that I have received from them. So make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave the link. And I also have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So I will leave that down below in the description box as well. I will pin it in the comments. And of course, towards the end of the video, I will have it up here on the screen for you guys. But today I will be reviewing this ombre orange box braid lace closure wig. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap. Then I will give you guys some more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing all about this ombre orange box braid lace closure wig from WEQUEEN, then keep watching.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and it has 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band as well. Now it did have lace in the front ear to ear, and then it is actually a middle part, but I was able, to kind of do a side part. We'll get into that. So yeah, so I did cut the lace in the front, of course. And this wig also came with baby hairs, which I had a tad bit struggle, laying them down. I didn't cut them or anything. So I kind of just swooped this like this and just, left the rest, however they was doing. Because this is all I need right now. I'm not gonna have the wig on too long, so this is all that I needed. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this is from WEQUEEN. This is their ombre orange box braids lace closure wig. It's about 28 inches and it retails for $149.99. Now, of course, if you do not want to pay full price, you can divide it into 4 payments of $37.50 by using PayPal. So, some product details about this wig. The cap construction is a 4x4 lace closure wig. The lace color is a medium brown. Cap size is average 22.5 inches, which comes with adjustable straps. Hair colors, ombre style, black top to orange ends. Braids type, 100% hand braided. Hair length, 28 inches. Hair material, heat resistant, synthetic fiber. Y'all know I can't, it's that Kinkky, whatever. Y'all will see it right here on the screen. And the hairline is pre-plucked with baby hairs. So this wig, it's actually really nice. It's kind of 50-50 with me because I'm still not a huge fan of braided wigs. And this one, it was just kind of, I don't know. When I laid it down, I just wasn't too sure if I liked it. Sometimes it looks okay, other times it doesn't. So it's just one of those wigs that might have to grow on me. I'm not too sure. But other than that, I love the ombre orange. It's really pretty. As you guys can see, the ends just kind of have a little bit of red in there as well. Not bad. But she is not bad. The braiding is really, really nice. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but in certain areas, I don't know if they did that on purpose. I think so. In certain areas, it's kind of like a little hair poking out. So yeah, that's really cute. Really, really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So once again, she is 28 inches. So this is how she looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So really, I just love the color. I really do. But overall with the wig, I'm just not too sure yet. Not too sure. And like I said, I only pretty much laid this baby hair down a little bit. So yeah, and I put a little powder in this area to make it blend in, make it look a little bit more natural. And I did tint the lace a little bit as well. I went ahead and took my wig cap off and just installed the wig on top of my hair, okay? Because I used a darker wig cap this time, in my opinion, but even after I had tinted the lace on this wig, you could still see it. And I didn't do a bald cap, so you could still see it. So I just went ahead, took it off, and installed this wig with just my hair. So my hair is underneath here, just like slicked back. But yeah, you know, we'll see, you know, she grows on me. I'm not too sure. I'm probably not gonna keep her, but I do like the color. Definitely like the color. It reminds me of 350. And y'all know that is definitely my color. So I want to thank WEQUEEN for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig. Do you like the color, the length? Do you like it on me? Would you rock this wig? All of that. Now, as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So the code is LND20. Capital L, capital N, capital D, 20. So make sure you guys put that in the little promo discount box at checkout to save you some monies, okay? And as usual, I will put it down below in the description box and I will pin it in the comments for you guys. That is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, comment down below and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one.